Today I'm looking at to fix the stabilizer cylinder, and as you can see it is coming down quite quickly, and I believe that there is a leak of the spool in the neutral position. And let's go to another place. So here you can see it coming down quite rapidly. It takes a few minutes and it's completely down. So it makes it difficult when digging, as the position is changing all the time. And it's also a bit of a danger, because once you stop the machine and you forget about the stabilizers, and then they are crushing something that shouldn't be crushed. So today my plan is to add a double locking valves, which have a check valve for each action, and the check valve is released only after the pressure is pushing it open of the opposite direction pressure. And I will put a link here for a better explanation of how these valves are working, and this video is more about the application side, how to put a locking valve on an existing cylinder. And my plan is to replace the lower part with a banjo type fitting, and then put a check valve in the middle, and then keep the upper angle style fitting. And the lower style fitting needs to be modified to a banjo. We don't have the possibility to move it in the direction of the pipe once the pipes are in the final length. Alright, so let's start to remove those fitting nuts one by one. I'll start from the lowest one. This is quite easy now. The old pipe is now replaced with this new pipe, including this double locking valve, and the upper fitting was further turned 180 degrees face downward, and the banjo fitting was put in place of the old fitting. New pieces of tube, the double locking valve, and then the control hoses. I installed the lock valves on both sides, and as you can see, holding in the air, we have success here. I'm really happy about this improvement, and I recommend to anyone with a similar problem, because it will make working with the machine much easier.